friend of me is Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. Start by opening settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on passwords and security. Then select lock screen password over here, wait 5 seconds and choose continue in the pop-up. Now you need to tap on one of those login methods. I will go with pattern and enter it. Then repeat it. And if you wish to add your fingerprint, you can do that right away by choosing add in this pop-up and following the instructions. I don't want to, so I will go with cancel. Click on home button, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!